Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. A warrant of arrest has been issued for rapper and TV personality Molemo Jub Jub Maranhão after he did not show up at the Germiston Magistrate Court on Monday, the 24th of August 2026. His lawyer informed the court that the 45-year-old had been medically booked off since 20th of August and the warrant was issued procedurally pending his next court appearance. According to ENCA, the arrest warrant will not be activated until the 7th of September when the matter is due back in court. Jub Jub claims to be in possession of a medical report showing that he has been booked off for 5 days. The Ndinkokele hitmaker is facing a charge of discharging a firearm in a public place stemming from an altercation with an e-hailing driver in Edenvale, Gauteng. On June the 14th, the Gauteng police spokesperson Captain Tintswalo Sibeko previously explained that the incident began when a driver dropped off a female passenger at the residence in Edenvale. Jub Jub allegedly confronted the driver, accusing him of being in a romantic relationship with his girlfriend. He then allegedly forced the man into his vehicle and refused to let him leave. When the driver managed to escape, he went directly to the nearest police station to report what had happened. Fortunately, he was unharmed. Initial charges were more severe, including kidnapping, unlawful discharge of a firearm, and defeating the ends of justice. The presenter was subsequently granted 5,000 rands bail by the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg, while the state insists he pointed and discharged what appeared to be a firearm during the incident. Jub Jub's lawyer disputes claims that a pellet gun was recovered from his home. Meanwhile, the Uyajola 99 host denies the charges and maintains his innocence.